Thinking of healthy snacks for kids can be a challenge. We're going to show you how to make some healthy cucumber sandwich bites that are great for kids. I have Hannah and Olivia as my helpers. We excited to get cooking, girls?
Definitely.
So we have 4 fillings for the cucumbers: an easy antipasto, a creamy salmon, pesto chicken, and a ham and avocado. Okay, girls, we're going to peel the cucumber. Have you ever peeled a cucumber before?
No, I haven't, but I'd definitely like to learn.
Okay, so take a peeler each.
Thank you.
Grab a cucumber. So Hannah, when you're peeling, make sure you peel away from your body, just so that you don't hurt yourself. Now we're going to cut them in half and make the sandwich. Now, did you see when I was cutting this, Olivia, that I've got my fingers pointing up?
Yep.
So that's just keeping my fingers out of the way. Always got to be safe in the kitchen. See how we've got the seeds in the middle?
Yep.
We want to remove them.
Okay.
So pick up a cucumber half, and what we want to do is we just want to scrape that centre, because that's the centre we're going to fill with the fillings. So we're just going to scrape up into the middle of the cucumber, and see how easily they come out? Can you match the cucumbers back together? Which ones match?
Well, these two, because they're the same colour.
Yeah.
Yep. Maybe this one and this one.
And the reason why we're matching them up is because when we fill them, we want to have the matching cucumber top to bottom so that they sit nicely together. So now we've got a couple of our fillings. Olivia,
Yes.
you've got the pesto chicken. Could you mix the chicken and the pesto together in this bowl? You're going to fill your cucumber with some roasted capsicum strips and the pesto
Okay.
chicken. Hannah, you're going to be making the easy antipasto. So for that, you've got some semi-dried tomato paste.
Some spinach.
Yep. And do you know what this is?
No.
It's called prosciutto, and it's a cured ham. Okay, just fill the cavity of the cucumber. Maybe put half the ingredients in each side, and then you can press them together.
Okay.
It's a bit messy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's all right. Cooking is messy. Yeah, put the spinach in that side, and then maybe the bocconcini can go on top of the prosciutto. Let's put some capsicum on. Okay, just pick off some basil leaves and just layer them on top, and then you can sandwich yours together.
Would that be how you do it?
That's exactly right, and we just press it down. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Would you pack that for school lunch?
Definitely.
Okay, we've done 2 cucumbers now, and we're on to the next 2 fillings. So Hannah, you've got the creamy salmon. In this bowl, can you mix together the cream cheese, dill, and green onions for me? And Olivia, we've got avocado and lemon juice. Can you mix that together? And you're going to be making the ham and avocado cucumber sandwich.
Okay.
And do you know why we're adding lemon juice to the avocado?
So the avocado doesn't go brown?
High five to that, correct. Bit of elbow grease, Hannah. It's that time again. We're going to fill the cucumbers. Let's pick it up backwards, and then if we spread it, we can use the side of the cucumber to get it off the spoon. So what other ingredients have you got?
I have carrot and ham.
Okay, so maybe put the carrot down this cucumber and then the ham here.
Okay. Can't wait to try these.
Excellent. Good work, Hannah. Girls, these look so good. And now I'm going to cut them into slices, and then we can eat them. Sound good?
Definitely.
Okay, I'm going to cut it in half first, and then probably about 2 centimetre pieces. These cucumber sandwich bites are easy to make, and they make a great morning or afternoon snack. Get the kids helping in the kitchen and get them to come up with some different fillings. Let's dig in. Yum? For more kids recipes, head over to our kids cooking playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.